here at IndyJam. Guys, I have fanned out from meeting Teresa Salgado last night. I saw her in the hallway and immediately asked her for a hug like I didn't have any sense. But she is the sweetest person, and I am very happy to be here meeting new clay friends. I'm gonna show you the room that we're in right now. They have it set up very nice. All the people who are here. And there she is. Look at her beautiful self on the table.
Thank you for coming. This is, of course, the highlight of my year, and it's an emotional year because it's the last one. So sorry about that. Be that way. But anyway, I thank you all for coming and for your friendship and all the time that we spend online talking about our favorite thing, and I do appreciate it very much. And I want to thank Lisa. If you like the decorations, it's all her. And that is Tracy and her husband, Tracy Jones, and her husband. Where's Tracy? Oh, well, I'll thank her many times before this is over because she and her husband
we know that.
Good friends. Yeah, good friends and good helpers. Let's see. Oh, first choice. And this is Angela Thompson. Hi! Polymer Clay Peeps, which is a very successful Facebook group that she has.
Isn't that cool?
She's also got videos out on
Polymer Clay Peeps on YouTube and on your channel too.
Yeah, so she's got, there's two places to find her, Polymer Peeps and on the Tiny Pandora Design Team channel, and her designs and execution and the shooting of the video and the pictures is just flawless. It's like what I aspire to. So thank you.
Thank you.
She's recently been picked up by Polymer Products Sculpt Me to do some work for them.
Oh, I'm so excited.
It's really a success story of some. This one's been telling me how to talent.
I started with Pan. The first time that I met her was at the very first IndyJam.
Yeah.
And we were making canes. And I'm like, oh God, I can't do this. But we did it. And then we just started hanging out. And she's a fountain of information and resource and, you know, bullshit. Just lovely. Everything that I am is because of you, and I love you.
I've had many seconds and many tears, and it's really sad. I love Susan, she's a wonderful person, and I'm sorry that she's sick, so. Anyway, she made this beautiful box with the mold that you have, and that's why you have a mold. She made a mold for every single person. She made a gift for every single person. She's just a powerhouse of product shape. So this time I want to have fun with you, be with you, and let this really sink in, right?
So one of my favorites was not able to make it here today, and that is Turtle Soup Beads. She made this beautiful box. Look at this, how beautiful it is. I wanted to see it up close and hold it. I wish she was here, but she's sick and I hope she feels better soon. Isn't that beautiful?
It does have a flat back. It's not a, it's like a release. It's not a full circle. So it's flat on the back. So it sets nicely. And the round cutters that you have on your table are what we're using to make the brim for the hat. You want to think about how big you want your birch to be. The ones that I make are typically about that size. So, you know, so you're going to judge the size of it with your form.
So we're in for day 2 in IndyJam, and today we are making some cute little top hats, and I've already put my base in the oven and taken it out, and I am ready to make the rest of it when they give us further instructions. But here's my base.
They didn't have it at the time my mom said they didn't have it.
We are in here tonight. We are playing bingo. We have a circus thing going on. Some of the ladies are even dressed in circus themes. We're having a good time. I have a project that is in the oven of a top hat that I made that I'm waiting to get done, nice and baked. I'll go show it to you. And we're getting ready to play bingo, if I didn't say that already. And if I did, it's because I just had 2 sips of wine and it's getting to me. So here we are. There is my project in the oven. It's baking. I don't know if you can see that good or not, but it's in there. So much fun making this. Look at the other projects that other ladies have made. That is beautiful. Someone is making a top to a case that they have in there. And this is our room. Full of our participants. The different projects they have made. Look at those beauties.
So on these pieces, on the back of these, you could just put a sheet of clay on top of it, use your liquid clay or bond between it, and then all I do is put the clay on it, and then I use one of these just to texture the heck out of it, okay? And then I'm going to take the binding that I'm going to use, I'm going to make that mark on it, and then I'm going to cut that clay back off, and then I'm going to attach this onto that blank space, but I'm going to backfill it because it's hollow with bacon bond and clay, but it's going to be a really wet mix. And I'm going to put it on it, then I'm going to cover this so none of that is exposed and you just have your pen back exposed. If you wanted to make a pen brooch or you wanted to bail on the piece at the same time, lower your pen finding until it's about midway, and then that gives you room up here to make a bail out of clay that's the same profile as your pen back, and then you could just put a threading through that or wear it as a pen, either way. I never would have thought of it. So